What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And I have to say that I was wrong, you guys. And if you have been a long time subscriber and if you have been seeing my videos since day one, you know I don't mind doubling back, spinning the block, whatever you want to call it. I don't mind going back and checking myself, you guys, and putting it out there. So one thing I was wrong on was the clip for the Insta360 Ace Pro. And it's just funny when I do like my little vlogs and y'all see me at like Lowe's and Home Depot and stuff doing vlogs. And I actually have this doing like selfie and everybody looking like, wow, what kind of little camera is that? And I just tell them, you know, it's the Insta360 Ace Pro. Now, I am doubling back because I had an issue getting this on. So salute to the person in the comment section. I will pin his comment. I was having an issue connecting this. So you see this camera right there? This is supposed to be the front of this clip right here. So on the video, and now it's hard to get off because I got the thing there. So on the video, I was clipping it like this, right? And I was wondering why it was so easy just to clip back off. All right. So when you have it like this, it's hard. Like it will come right off. But if you put the camera, picture of the camera right there in front, you snap it on and you make sure that goes in. It's hard when I got there. You hear that snap? It's in. You guys, I can fling around this thing like this. I love this camera, you guys. I love this camera. I'll actually post some footage of me cutting the grass in slow motion. I put this thing in slow motion, 1080p, 240, 240 frames per second, or is it 260? 240 or 260? 200 and something frames per second. I think it's 240 frames per second. All right. I'm just so excited. I lose track of my mind. So I'll post that. I did some slow motion to this. I have some outside footage, and this camera is so good, you guys. I love this camera. I'll probably do another video about this camera. Insta360 Ace Pro is a good action camera, you guys. Whether you're doing it for action, whether you're doing it for vlogging. Yeah, so I was wrong. I had this on wrong. My apologies, you guys. So I will pin this video also to that other video so people could come to this video to know that this works. So anyways, that will be it. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.